Hello English learners. This is a preview of lesson 1.10.2. Today we will work on your English listening and reading comprehension via 3 of our conversation topics for English learners activities. So there are 3 parts to this lesson. First, you watch the video once or twice, read the text below in English, and then you translate the text in your primary language using the translator here and read it again in your primary language. Part 2, the same thing. You watch the video once or twice, you read the passage here in English, and if you don't understand, don't worry, because you can translate it in your primary language, and you go back and you read it again in your primary language. Part 3, again, you watch the video once or twice, you read the text here, you translate the text using the translator, and then finally, you can leave a comment by writing it down here, putting your name, your email, and clicking on Post Comment. Okay, students, thank you very much for working so hard. I appreciate it. This lesson is very important because it builds up your English listening and reading comprehension as well. So please focus on this lesson. It's not an easy lesson. So please do the best you can so that you can improve your English listening comprehension, which is very, very, very important. Thank you very much, and see you soon.